Hello, so today I'm going to talk to you about what to feed your cat when he or she is sick. I don't prefer to call it personally because it's not it is a creature that I love very much. So let's get started. So the first thing is to use this 5 meals guide that I just found it online. So the first meal is to start with a classic meal. When we say classic meal, we mean chicken and rice. That is very known as the savior for sick cats. And the second one is to use liquid forms like soups that are made from chicken, and also to use baby food. Yes, baby food is very helpful for cats, especially when they are sick, so you can use that. And also you need to take in consideration the prescription diet plus the tuna water. So that's all about meals that can help your cat to be healthy again. So take care and happy healing.